I would say this one is very ultra niche. Oh my God. Ooh. What is up mga mahihilig sa mga? This is your boy Armin and welcome back again dito sa Amoy Piranyan. So for today's episode, hindi ko akalain na may gantong klaseng local artisan slash niche fragrance brand dito sa Pilipinas until I met Adrian, my brother. Okay? My good friend. Shout out to you, bro. Adrian Fragrances. Please don't forget to follow him. Much love, bro. So, matagal ko nang gusto silang amuin and lagi ko nakikita sa page ni Adrian and he really adores this brand and he really supports this brand, itong local brand na to. Hindi natin pwede sabihin na they are a dupe brand. Kasi there are two types of local. It's a local niche artisan brand siya. Like, they are independent. They have their own parang original creation. Wala silang dinudupe or wala silang parang inspiration with other fragrances around the world. There is another local brand that they call it parang dupe or they call it inspired by designer, niche, or mga ibang fragrances. So this is a brand that you need to check this one out and you need to pay attention to this brand kasi they are keep leveling up hanggang pataas sila ng pataas. Sa tingin ko, they have this potential na maging international tong brand na to. Mark my words for that. And we have a package from Alabastro. Shout out to Mr. Wayne for sending this to us and I paid this with my own money na mabigay ang unboxing and give you guys my first impressions. Tara, umpisahan na natin to. I'm so excited! Bruh. Tara! OMG. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh my God! Oh! Bakit napakadami nila? Binili ko, tig-isa kami ni girlfriend para ma-experience din niya. And kasi mahilig din siya mag-support ng mga local brands, especially mga artisan style fragrances. Nakakaiba yung talaga yung mga amoy niya. Let's start it! Sabon. Very minimal packaging lang. Nothing much fancy going on. There's this card. Sobrang ganda. Oh my God. Wow. That is literal a very high quality soap. Parang try to imagine Safeguard. I-export lang sa ibang bansa. Akalain mo yun? Easy aldehydes. Parang floral aspects to it. God, this is good for everyday. Very refreshing. Very, very versatile. At the same time, very artistic yung approach niya. Sabon. 9 out of 10. Sagwan. Ang lalim ng Tagalog dito. Hindi ko alam kung ano amoy na to, but let's see. It's giving me very nostalgic feel. Fruity, but more on parang malamig eh. And there is this parang floral metallic feel to it. Kakaiba siya. Never pa ako nakaamoy ng ganito. I think females out there, you're going to enjoy Sagwan. My girlfriend, I think she's going to love this scent. For me, I love it. I would love to wear this one. Easily, 8 out of 10. Pulbos. I'm a really sucker for shaving foam. Be nice, ha? Be nice. Quite cold, powdery, aldehydes, very crisp and clean, very dapper. Parang very baby boy yung datingan niya. Has a little bit of floral aspects pero nasa dulo lang siya. The show here is the powdery notes. 8 out of 10. Let's go on to the next one. Next one is asukal. Mukhang lalanggamin tayo dito sa asukal na to, ha. Oh. Burnt sugar. Parang try to imagine yung pag let's say nagbe-bake ka, especially yung mga baker, pag nagbe-bake sila ng asukal, naglagay sila ng asukal, tapos they're trying to make it parang caramelize or parang crystallize yung sugar. Ganun yung epekto dito ng asukal. Yung tipong parang ready to put na yung crystallized sugar dun sa ilalagay mong drink or ilalagay mong parang cupcake or cake man yan. It's very sweet. It's okay lang for me. For me, 6 out of 10. Let's go on to the next one. And next one is pulot. What's that? Sugary. It's quite sticky. Para siya pagkain. It's a very sticky honey yung parang naaamoy ko. In a dessert way. Yung parang tipong dinidrizzled mo yung honey. Ganun yung datingan niya. Hindi siya overly sweet, saktong tamis lang siya. Yung parang minsan kasi may mga ibang honey na makikita mo talagang dinadagdagan pa ng asukal tapos ibebenta nila. But ito yung tipong honey na talaga, it's very enjoyable. It's very pleasurable. Yeah, for me, 8 out of 10. Let's go on to the next one. Datil. By the way, this was gifted to me. I'm so honored to receive this kasi this is, sabi daw ni Sir Wayne, wala na daw to. It's not anymore available. It's already discontinued na siya. Very blessed na to own this one into my collection. Yung juice pa lang, medyo yellowish no. So I think if I maturate this one, it will go more darker. Konting spray lang tayo dito. Kasi discontinued na siya. Titipirin ko to syempre. Oh! Napakasarap na dates. Pinitas mo mismo dun sa ng puno ng dates. Put some parang spices. Hindi tipong parang spices. Spices, little bit parang floral. It has that, may sarili siyang parang essence yung dates. It's gooey, it's sweet, it's caramelized. Grabe. Enjoyable scent. So far, easily for me, 10 out of 10. Sir Wayne, don't discontinue this one, please. The last one is ulan. Oh my God. Oh my God, wow. Oh my God, wow. Wala na talaga ako masabi sa itong pabango na to. For me, this is 11 out of 10. Stay tuned for my full review of this scent. This is such a banger scent. Yung tipong eksena na pag inispray mo siya or sinuot mo siya, it will transport you to a significant area na ka nagkikreate ng story with yourself. I would say this one is very ultra niche. Oh my God. Grabe. I will just save my words for the full review nito. Hopefully, na-enjoy nyo tong video na to. Ang unboxing natin and my first impression from Alabastro PH. Let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite at kung ano yung mapapa-back up bottle ka. Dito sa comment section. Like, comment, and follow for more contents. And please share this video. Till next time, Fragrance family, love you all. Mabuhay ang Filipino perfumery.